Wig production.
Alright, let's update this little bad boy. We got this big bubble butt booty bottom shaping up here, and I love that. We love big bubble butt booties, and we love the bottoming patterns. 8 EMA, okay? Look how long we've been under the 8 EMA. We're on the 2-day time frame because I like the chart. It makes it look cute. Okay, we reject all the way down. We try to stay over, can't get over. We go sideways for an entire year. We can't really hold above the 8 EMA. So right here, all of a sudden at the beginning of November, the characteristics completely change. We're now using this 8 EMA as support for a few weeks now, several weeks. Look at the bullish volume coming in. Somebody is buying, entities, large entities are buying this stock under 27, or call it 27.5 cents. Why? Value. It's simple. This is where the value's at. Because if this name prints up towards $1.15, you best believe the ones who are banging the shares here and hitting the bid, they're the ones who are going to reap the biggest reward, right? So things are looking great here, in my opinion, on Wonderfi. We just need to be patient. I think there will be one of those big days coming up soon. It's more of a waiting game, and the follow through should be interesting. So even on the weekly time frame, starting to see we're gathering patiently, smartly consolidating sideways. And another big major bullish factor I've been looking at from a technical perspective, we got this golden cross here of the EMAs, right? So back here we have the death cross, right? So that's January 2022 with the death cross, and it is now November 20th, late November, maybe the 27th, where we get this golden cross. Okay, so 1 year downward, we need, or sorry, that's going to be almost 2 years. 2 years under that bearish death cross. Okay, this is a very, very early stage in this potential bull market that's on the way. And I think that this bull market in crypto is going to be a next level one that is going to melt faces. So Wonderfi is going to be a participator in that run with all these names. Now, something I like to look at, again, this is just, I'm not comparing, it's just a technical perspective, something we could kind of glance at. Look what happened here on DeFi. Things happen real quick, okay? Things happen real quick. Go to the daily time frame. Kind of looks familiar, doesn't it? We hold the 8 EMA, hold. Then things start to get freaky. Massive moves in DeFi. Okay? Now when we look at Wndr, where are we on Wndr? Holding the 8 EMA, hold. What we need to pay attention to is what's happening above, right? What do we need to pay attention to above? So let's look at this volume profile. Okay, daily time frame, the volume profile. This is what we're looking at. We are now, most of the shares that have been bought are in the green, because most of the shares were bought at 19 cents. We're in the green now. Look at above here. Okay, we'll go weekly time frame just to get a better idea and a better look. Look at above here. Okay, the next largest resistance, call it the 35 range. That makes sense, right around this zone that we happen to get a strong rejection from, right? So we could pay attention to that 34-35 cent range. Right over here, 42 cents we could pay attention to. Right up here is another one, 60 cents. So these are the zones we're going to have to pay attention to. There's probably going to be struggle in these zones. So what we could look for is we get this push to the upside, we consolidate, push to the upside, consolidate, push to the upside, consolidate. This is something we might be looking for before we get that. The melt up of all melt ups is going to come after we destroy these levels. We have to eat up all the shares at these levels. So that is the breakdown here. Okay, this is what we're looking at. This is what we're paying attention to. So this name has potential. Can it go a lot higher? Yes, but we're going to need to be patient. we're going to need to battle a few zones. And if you're not ready and willing to ride that wave, it might be a struggle for you, and you might look at yourself and kick yourself in the foot for not holding and being patient. So again, I'm going to mark these out once more. This major zone, this rejection, okay, 36.5 cents. That's going to be a zone we're going to have to struggle and break through. Hopefully the demand picks up with the Bitcoin ETF on the way, Bitcoin halving on the way. Powell just came out, said we're reducing rates, or the rate hikes. They're probably going to stop. And you're pretty much expecting the rates to go down from there, which means it's easier for people to take out loans because they don't have to pay down as much. But why are they starting to do the rate hikes? Why? They want to print more money. More money gets pumped into assets. Does it mean it's all going to go to Wonderfi? But we could expect an inflow coming into the space. This is going to be not only a demand shock with all these bullish catalysts, but also a supply shock in Bitcoin with the Bitcoin halving on the way. This might be something we've never seen before. So patience, my friends. Patience. Another level we're going to have to pay attention to. Look at all this confluence in this area. Look at all this price action going sideways. We struggled in this zone. So we can mark off this 67-cent area right around here, 68. Let's call it there, right? We had a strong rejection from this range up here, 86 cents. That's quite far away. We'll pay attention to 36.5 and 68 for now. So again, what we might be looking at is a move like this. We retest this zone because it's been our resistance for a very long time, as you can see, since November 2022. A year straight of being resistance. Maybe we retest, develop a base, and let it act as support. Q2, we break out above, and this is our new range where we play in 36.5 cents to 68 cents. This is what we're looking for on Wonderfi. I'm glad you guys have been joining me on the ride, and I hope these videos have been helpful to you. If so, leave a comment, maybe give it a share, tell a friend. And if you guys are interested in joining in the Discord, where I'll be chatting a lot more about the finer details of trading, technical analysis, stock charts, Wonderfi, etc., DM me and we'll get you in that Discord. It's free and welcome to everyone. Peace.